Hello and welcome to this point-blank video on how the one-to-one tutorials work. On certain set weeks throughout your module, you'll be able to have a live one-to-one Zoom call with your lecturer. This is a great opportunity for you to ask questions about your assignments, any help you need regarding exercises, or anything regarding the course content. The week before the one-to-one tutorial is set to take place, your lecturer will give you a set of time slots, which you can find here. You can select the time slot that suits you best, and then confirm your booking. If you'd like your lecturer to give you help on a specific project, you'd need to zip it up and upload it here. When it's time for your one-to-one, you'll need to join your lecturer's Zoom meeting with the ID or link that they have shared with you. Let's take a look at an example of a one-to-one with our lecturer, John Watson.
I'm not sure if you've used this before. So this is a notch band. And what
Oh, yeah.
this will do is you don't have control of the gain because it simply cuts out completely. And the cue determines how wide that cut is.
Feel free to ask the lecturers any questions you might have during this one-to-one tutorial. This is your chance to tap the brains of our expert lecturers and tailor the course to your needs. We hope that this video has given you a little bit of insight on what it's like to study here at Point Blank Music School. If you want to find out more, make sure you check out pointblankmusicschool.com.